exposure leads to better design, and to facilitate the same, we structured our curriculum in a horizontal synchronization of practice and theory-related subjects. These are further anchored to the studios with a vertical progression complexity. This makes our course structure complex, varied, and cognitive. During the pandemic, schools and college buildings were closed, but learning never stopped, and we continued delivering quality education by adopting the online platform of teaching and learning. The intent was to collaborate and work simultaneously in the same spirit as an offline mode with the entire class. Google Platform was the immediate aid which facilitated teaching and learning from anywhere, offering feasibility and flexibility. Foundation studios are crucial for developing the fundamental creative abilities and strong work habits among the students. The basic design exercises intend at shifting ideas from regimented and rigorous high school education to the more open and choice-based coursework. It also analyzes the design principles and composition used in a man-made environment using abstraction in 2 and 3 dimensions. The studio focuses on the human-spatial interaction within a given context. It also explores basics of anthropometry, space vocabulary, variation in volume, understanding of functionalities, space planning, and spatial organization. Residential studio. The studio deals with the understanding of residential design intervention within a given context. It involves the study of contextual and physical settings along with the activity mapping, residential program development, function-space relationship, inside-outside connection transition within hierarchy of spaces, circulation and design responsive to light, air, vegetation within the space. Corporate and office studio. The studio deals with creating the desired ambience relative to corporate setup through interiors of spaces. It also focuses on the nature of a corporate establishment, understand working pattern, hierarchy of organization, hierarchy of spaces with respect to functional requirements, program development, permanent and temporary spaces with respect to need, mood board, interior detailing, flooring, lighting, false ceiling, and services. Basic design workshops. The workshops are intensive linchpins of the curriculum supporting learning through hands-on experimentation, exploring materials, model making and prototyping. The workshop has dedicated facilities for working in wood, metal, ceramic, printmaking, textile, model making, etc., staffed with technicians and experts to aid the students in it. BTM, Building Technology and Materials, focuses on rudimentary components of a building in the initial semester, highlighting structural and non-structural elements. Materials and its properties are explored through various techniques during the coursework. Theory subjects. Continuous efforts to introduce inquiry-based learning through active and experimental processes are adopted in various theory subjects like humanities, history of interior design, climatology, building services, technical and design drawing, regulation, and professional practice.